Moi kaikki! I thought today that we could read the news or uutiset in Finnish. So I just wanted to take a peek at today's top read stories, and I chose this website called yle.fi. If you're wondering, Yle is the Finnish National Public Broadcasting Company, and it's basically owned, 99.98% it says, owned by the Finnish state. So I went over to the website and I looked at the sidebar of today's luetuimmat, most read, luetuimmat uutiset, the most read news articles for this morning. So number one here we have, I'm just going to go through them and we'll translate them together and you can kind of see what they're talking about in the news today. Number one, numero yksi, we have Venäjän hyökkäys. Venäjän, Russia's, apostrophe S, Venäjän, Russia's hyökkäys. Hyökkäys is attack. Brittitiedustelu would, I guess, translate as British intelligence. Venäjän ilmavoimien tappiot kasvavat. So Venäjän, Russia's, ilmavoimien, which is the Air Force. Tappiot is losses, kasvavat, grows. So Russia's Air Force losses grow. Number two, we have kokaini. Kokaini, which is cocaine. I hope I'm not flagged for this. The translation here is Suomessa, in Finland, käytetään, uses, it's in the passive tense, so it uses, niin paljon, so much, kokainia. I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about this, so that's why I'm whispering. Että, that, sitä, that it, rahdataan is cargoed, shipped, tänne, here, nyt suoraan, now, straight from, Etelä-Amerikasta, from south, Etelä, South, Amerikasta, South America. STA is from South America. So in Finland, people are using so much that it's being shipped here now straight from South America. Dealerit, dealers, kertovat, tell, ketkä ainetta ostavat, who is buying the substance. Ketkä, who, ainetta, substance, ostavat, buys in plural. Number three, numero kolme. Elisabeth 2. 20-vuotias, 20-year-old Marjatta Isberg, which is a name of some lady, kirjoitti vitsillä Englannin kuningattarelle. Kirjoitti, past tense of to write, so wrote, vitsillä, as a joke, Englannin kuningattarelle, LLE at the end means to, so to the English queen. Pian, soon, postissa, in the mail, odotti, was waiting, yllättävä tarjous, a surprising offer or surprising deal. Pysyvä paikka palatsissa. Pysyvä, like a permanent, paikka, place, palatsissa, SSA at the end, in somewhere, so in the palace. So pian postissa odotti yllättävä tarjous. Pysyvä paikka palatsissa means soon in the mail was waiting a surprising offer. A permanent position in the palace. Okay, then numero 4. Uutispäivä means news day. Uutis, news, päivä, day. Tuoreimmat uutiset means freshest news or the most recent news. Tuore means fresh. Tuore. So tuoreimmat, most fresh, literally translated. Numero 5. Tietoturva, which is like data security, data protection, like information security. So pariskunta erosi. Pariskunta is a couple or someone that's married. Erosi is to break up or get divorced. 8 vuoden kuluttua. 8 means 8. Vuoden. So many birds out my window. 8 vuoden kuluttua. After 8 years. Vuoden is years. Kuluttua, like time has passed. Mari is a female name. Kuuli, past tense of kuulla, to hear. So kuuli was heard. Että ex-miehellä, that, ex-husband, ex-miehellä, LLA is meaning he had something. Ex-miehellä, her ex-husband had, on, to be, had. Käyttöoikeus is, käyttö is use or using something, usage. Oikeus is rights, I guess. So like usage rights. Like usage rights, access rights, rights to this thing. Hänen, her, S-tilinsä, S account. So S account means that there is a bank called S-pankki. Pankki is bank. So in S-pankki, your account would be called S-tili, which means her ex-husband had usage rights to her S-bank account. So then the quote here is ilkeämpi. So ilkeä is like mean. Someone that's ilkeä is mean or malicious or evil, mean. Ilkeämpi, the MPI at the end means more mean. So a more mean person olisi voinut, could have, tyhjentää, emptied, sen, it. So a more mean person could have emptied it. Then we have another one of Elizabeth 2. Kuningataren hautajaiset. The queen's hautajaiset is the funeral. So a hautajainen is a funeral. Are Britannian vuosikymmeniin. Britain's vuosikymmeniin. So vuosikymmentä is vuosi, year, kymmentä, 10, so decade. So suurin kansainvälinen tapahtuma. Suurin, the biggest. Suuri is big. Suurin, biggest, largest. Kansainvälinen, international, tapahtuma, event. So the Queen's funeral is Britain's biggest international event for decades. Näin hautajaispäivä etenee. Näin, like this, hautajaispäivä, funeral day, etenee, proceeds, or this is how the funeral day is going to go. Okay, then 7. Valinnan vapaus. So valinta is a choice. Vapaus is freedom. So freedom of choice. And underneath it says Julia Thurenin kolumni. Kolumni is a column. Loputon valinnan vapaus. Loputon means endless. Endless freedom of choice. Ei ehkä is maybe not. Ollutkaan, maybe wasn't in the past tense. Hyvinvoinnin kulmakivi. Hyvinvointi means like well-being, and kulmakivi is literally kulma, corner, kivi, stone, cornerstone. So what's being said is endless freedom of choice maybe wasn't the cornerstone of well-being, is a column written by this Julia. Then number 8, 8, hymiöt. Hymiöt is emoji. Ikoninen, the iconic, smiley, hymiö, smiley emoji, täyttää 40 vuotta. Täyttää is turning 40 years. Keksijä, the inventor, Scott Fahlman, Ylelle. The inventor Scott Fahlman to Yle, Ylelle, LLE, to Yle. The quote, emojit ovat rumia. Emojis are rumia, ugly. Ruma is ugly. And then finally number 9, 9, koripallon EM 2022. koripallon, basketballs. EM stands for Euroopan mestaruudet, European Championships 2022, 2022. Lauri Markkanen, a male name, was EM-kisojen, the European Championship Games competitions, paras pistemies. Paras, the best, pistemies, point scorer, person who gathered the most points. NBA tähtien keskellä. NBA, in the midst of the NBA stars. Keskellä means like in the middle, in the midst. Tähti is a star, celebrity. Ei mahtunut. Ei, no. Mahtunut. Mahtua is to fit. Mahtunut is fit past tense. So ei mahtunut means didn't fit. Silti, still. Kisojen, the competitions. Tähdistö viisikkoon. Tähdistö is like the stars. Viisikkoon is like the five, so I guess the top five star players. Wait, how would that be? Like tähdistö viisikkoon, like the five stars of the competition. So yeah, this Finnish guy, Lauri Markkanen, was the best scorer, had the best points in the European Championships competition amidst the NBA stars, and he still didn't fit into the competition's 5-star group or whatever. Anyways, hopefully that gave some insight into the types of news that is being talked about in Finland right now. And hope you enjoyed this a little different video. Joo, eli nähdään ensi videossa, moikka!